me lo llamo.
So, you are the fearless today.
Hola mi gente, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, and we are staying at Melia's Zel Punta Cana. So we are staying in the swim up suite. When you first walk in, here's the main entrance. So the door opens using the key card, the bracelet that they give you when you first check in. And it also features a little mirror. I really wish it was a full-size mirror, but it's okay. Right behind that is the coat closet, and they do provide you with an umbrella. And if you notice the string hanging from the thermostat, that is actually my daughter's resort bracelet. Of course, she wouldn't keep it on, so I actually put it there so that I wouldn't forget it. I recorded this video the morning that we were checking out. But also to note, yes, you can control the temperature in the room, and you can also control all the different lights individually. So I really love that. Some places there's only one big main light. Here there were tons and tons of different spotlights, and you can control each of them individually to light basically every corner of the room, every different area. We absolutely love that. Over here we have a little kitchenette area, which was really nice. It does have a sink. You have a coffee maker, tea maker. They do provide you with snacks. Everything is included. Down here, there is a mini fridge. Again, included, it is restocked every day. You have sodas, beer, water, and yeah. As we pan around, we have a dining area, but my daughter is eating right now, so we're gonna skip that. But as we keep panning around, over here is the living room area. As you can see, the living room sofa is set up as a pull-out bed. I was on a solo trip with my two children, and so during our vacation, my daughter and I slept in the bedroom, and my son slept on the pull-out bed. And then right up the living room, you do have the bedroom, and they have these large sliding doors which separate everything, which is really nice. So through the bedroom, as you walk into the bathroom, you have this open closet situation, 2 closets on the left and right side. They do provide you with a safe, 2 robes, 2 slippers, a steamer, extra pillow, all the things. And then that leads you to the sliding doors that lead you into the bathroom. So in the bathroom, they do provide you with body wash, shampoo, conditioner. There is 2 sets of towels, one for the bathroom and one for the pool area. When you go to the private beach club, they also have a different set of towels there. You can always ask for fresh towels in your room. There's a hair dryer, there's a scale, tissue, there's hand soap, there's body lotion. They provide you with a nail filing kit. I like that the toilet has its own separate room, and the ingredients in their products are pretty clean. They are a wellness, Mediterranean inspired resort. Now, one of the best features of this suite is the swim out aspect. Now, you can either step out from the bedroom or from the sliding doors in the living room. But once you step out into this seating area along with your jet set tub jacuzzi situation, which was very, very nice. And then that leads you down the path into your pool. Before you get to your pool, however, you have your private seating area by the pool as well, which features the cabana and the 2 lawn chairs, whatever they're called. Again, tons and tons of seating, great for a family.